You. Myself is Rahul. I'm the tour facilitator over here in Delhi. Hi. So let me tell you the update about the city. This is the July of 13th July today. So what we can see that today. So today is the very nice, lovely day. Morning is start already, and you can see that little bit shower in the city and little bit like a cool environment. So if you have a plan to visit Delhi today, I think it's a good view, good day for you to travel in this time, in this old town, new town, all the sites. So let me discuss about that little bit, what we can visit today. So today Tuesday, so all the monuments and the museums are all open. So let me tell you about that. Yesterday I told you on Monday most of the museums and the Red Fort, Lotus Temple already closed. But today they are open. But Red Fort open, but still because of the problem with the COVID, so Lotus Temple is still not open. So Lotus Temple, if you go, you can visit only from outside, not from inside. Second thing, if you want to go to the Swachh Bharat Museum, which is latest museum in Delhi, close to the Rajghat, that is also closed. You can take out look from the outside. Little bit you can visit, but not inside of the museum. That is not allowed. That I am telling you update. And the third thing I am telling you, like if you go to Chandni Chowk, so your vehicle is not allowed inside the Chandni Chowk. There is approximate 20,000 rupees fine if you will go inside of that part. So better what you do that you just go there, you just admire the Red Fort. After that you can visit to Jama Masjid before 1 o'clock. That's better for you. If you start your sightseeing from the old part of the city, that is lovely. After that you can visit to India Gate, President House, Parliament, Chandni Chowk. You can do that just walking distance. If you would like to eat some parathe wali gali, something like that, the street food, you can try some jalebi. These places are still open and you can enjoy some street food also, very safe, hygienic food. And then after you can visit to the Red Fort. After that you can come to Rajghat. Rajghat is a nice place where you can a little bit walk. You can see that the Gandhiji's place, crematorial of Mahatma Gandhi. After that you can come to India Gate, President House, Parliament. These are just a drive pass. You can go to Humayun's Tomb. In between, if you want to have your lunch, you can have your lunch in Pandara Road. There are lovely restaurants, lovely meals you can enjoy, hygienic food. Little bit expensive, but it's this time it's very good. I think if you like to be there, you will admire the food, and the food quality is very lovely. Taste is very delicious. Last 15 years I am working. Then after you can go to the Qutub Minar. Before that you want to go to take the pictures of Lotus Temple. You can take the picture of Lotus Temple and then Qutub Minar. Then at the end you can reach to your hotel. If you want to do some marketing, you can go to Janpat. Today Janpat is open. Sunday it is closed. You can go to Palika Bazaar. You can go to Sarojini Nagar if it is open. I am not sure about that. But Lajpat Nagar is still closed, I think. Lajpat Nagar you don't have to go. Chandni Chowk, some shops are, I saw that most of them are open, like Book Market is also open. So morning time if you go there, you can enjoy that the view in the old part of the city. Later in the afternoon you can visit to the central part of the town like Connaught Place. After that you can go to the southern part of the city middle in the evening, and late night if you want to stay a little bit, Connaught Place. Some malls is still open. All the malls in Delhi is all open, so you can enjoy, and you can hire some car, and then after you can travel into the city. If you like my views, if you like the update, so this is my just a sound knowledge about the city and the weather. So at least you can enjoy the town, you can visit the town. Thank you very much. If you like my channel, you can subscribe me, Delhi Travel RV. And if you like it, you can comment on also. If you want to do some comments, if you want to know anything more about it, so you can just give me the comment, and then after I can give you the suitable reply. I am most probably like live on you, so I just want to read your comments and then after give you the current reply what is going on. So thank you very much again, and if you need my help or anything, you can just comment me, and then after I can give you the current reply where you are standing, what you want to know. So thank you guys, thank you very much. Bye bye.